tell me about this workflow.
So in my test environment, I use the pre-recorded MP4 video, but in production would be a webcam from a MQTT input.
That's fine. Actually, we have a built-in MQTT source here. You can just drag and drop it. Put your inputs. You'll have to put the URL to the server. What's next?
Okay, it seems easy, but then I need to, how can I import the code that I created to cut the video frame by frame?
Yeah, of course. You can put all your own custom code into your workflow as long as it's in Git. If you have a Git repository, you can scan it as you would any repository right here in the UI. So I'll show you how. So once we have the URL for your repository, we can come in the repo manager and scan it like this. We can go back into the store and find it here. Just here it is. Now we can come back into the studio to add that new module. So here we have your new module in your workflow, and we can connect it to our MQTT source. Like that. What's next in the workflow?
So we need to add the video detection model.
Right. We have that one from when we scanned your repository. Let's just add it onto the workflow.
Excellent.
Drag and drop. What's next?
So then we need to reassemble the video.
Right. Again, we have that one from when we scanned your repository. I'll just put it right at the end here.
Wow, amazing.
And then there's one last thing, right?
We need to send an email back to the administrator.
Right. Same thing, that one was in your repository as well. I'll move it in. We can just move it a bit for readability, and then I think it's all done. Next is deployment. So now that we have your workflow built, we can get it deployed in some production environment. That just means that your code can run and generate executions that users can interact with.
Oh, great.
And we can do it in one click. Watch this.
And that's all?
That's all. There we go. Now your workflow is deployed and running on the cloud, and the input is streaming through the MQTT gateway.
Okay.
So here we have some input, and this is live.
Okay, excellent.
And then if we'd like, in the end, your workflow sends an email with the output, which are, of course, your tagged images.